Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add someone on Trello. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com, it's your button. Of course, if you're not logged in into an account, make sure you in to log in. And if you don't have an account, go to your account. Here is an example. Go to this left panel, find like members. You'll be able to add people space. Of course, if you go here and click at the top option, invite workspace members, you'll be able to invite them using their email address or name. If they have, of course, a Trello account, let's say someone that has this like email, as you can see, you'll find them. You can click on them and add them. You can even add them by name. Let's say someone is called Onyx. You can see you'll find a lot of people. So look for the person that you want to add. This one. Of course, you'll be able to add multiple people at the same time. Add someone called Alex as well, and you'll be able to add endless of people. Or you'll be able to invite them using a link. Click on this. This will copy a link to your clipboard. You can send it to them. Once they click on that link, they taken here. If they have an account, they can log in. And if they don't, they can create an account and be able to add them. If you add any person, you'll find this right here. So let me just go and add an example person here. Send invite. And as you can see, you'll find them added. You can remove them. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.